Well, kia ora, Nick. Here I am standing on one of your previous pieces known as Puhi Kaiti, which stands right next door to your latest piece. Tell us about it.
Well, it was long coming. It was part of a bridge connection between Puhi Kaiti, this sacred site of ours, and our sacred maunga behind me. And over time, it's evolved from the original design concept into a waka form. And so we've attempted to take waka and include it into the overall narrative for this place.
So he ingoa tōna, does it have a name yet?
It doesn't have a name as far as I'm aware, but I've been referring to it as whai because that's the location where the taurapa of the waka sits against our maunga. And whai is a reference to the view from there. And it was at that place that our tipuna would stand and look out to the ocean, read the signs of the taiao of nature, and determine whether or not they should go out onto the moana or stay home that day, or what was happening in terms of impact on the place that they live. And so our waka gives that view. It gives that view over the port, over the log storage, out to the moana, where now our current generations have an opportunity to capture some of a broader aspect of what maunga means, what tipuna means, and what the special place Puhi Kaiti is all about.
Well, Nick, as we can hear and see, it's still getting its bells and whistles, still under construction. What was your role in terms of its overall design?
Well, since 2019, when the Puhi Kaiti artworks were unveiled, it's taken us that long to get the bridge component in place. Construction arrived here with a concept of a waka, and my task was to make that waka as close to what we would expect in our traditions a waka should be. But it still has to be a bridge. It still has to carry people and keep them safe. It still has to have the view and the aspect. But we wanted it to also include enough reference to waka, so when our people come around the corner here down to the site, they can look up and go, yes, that's a waka. And so, yeah, those bells and whistles, those pieces of whakairo are just starting to get added to the bridge now. And in the next couple of weeks, fingers crossed, it'll all come together.
So upon completion, Nick, does it have a lighting plan for at night?
There was a lighting plan so that it becomes a place to come in the evening. Same with Puhi Kaiti, it's lit up at night. And so it's a place where we want our families to come and enjoy the space day and night and experience those tikanga aspects of our tipuna in our contemporary times.
Pātai whakamutunga ki a koe, Nick, hei ahia kake ai tātou ki runga i te waka nei.
At the beginning of the school holidays, November, December, it should be all going to plan, and the workers are going flat out at the moment to ensure that we get to there.